Good morning and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be experimenting with the content aware tools. That is the Lasso tool, clone tool, spot healing brush tool and the blur tool. Now this is an image of Nostel Priory which I took this weekend. It's a pano image of about 9 images. And today we're going to be exploring how we can remove these visitors which were inconveniently in my shot. This is a copy of the edit we are looking to have as our final image. Okay, let's go. So we'll duplicate our layer and lock our original layer, so therefore we've always got a reference copy. And then zoom in, move across, I'm going to try and keep this tutorial as quick as possible. So we'll choose our lasso tool, move it up, and we're first looking to remove these people. Contents to content aware, click OK. Amazing. You'll see that this part isn't quite right, but don't worry about that. We will be able to amend it later on. Okay, so that's done a pretty good job of removing her actually. Brilliant. Now, move over to this couple over here. Amazing, let's move this guy. Okay, again, so don't worry too much about this area. We will be able to amend that later on. Okay, so we'll move out this couple here. Uh-oh. If you press the shift button and draw around the area you've missed, it will add it into your selection. Amazing. As you can see, the areas where we have removed people from our existing image haven't quite gone great. So this is where the clone tool, spot healing brush tool and the blur tool come in. Select our button here, spot healing brush. Okay, so if we do this, no, that's not quite the right tool for us. Okay, so you can see we've got our window pane here. I'm going to go to our rectangle marquee tool. We are going to select it and then we are going to copy and paste. So Command C on a Mac and Command V to paste. Go to our move tool, make sure we're on the right layer, and move this over here. Now that's going to give us our guide as to how and where we're working to when creating our window panel. Don't worry about it standing out too much right now. That is all going to be amended later. Move it quite right. There. Okay, so now We're going to go to our clone tool, press Alt, we're going to paint down, make sure we're on the right layer, which is why that wasn't working just then. Make sure our brush size is correct. Now, I am in no way a photo editor, which you are going to be able to pick up from this tutorial, no doubt. However, it does give you a very nice and quick overview as to what the software can do. And sometimes that's all you need to get you started. So I keep moving my point of reference, because if I don't, it will start to clone areas that I'm not all too particularly interested in cloning. Draw our window panel back in. Make it bigger now. Okay, draw our panels back in. Now go down. First of all, let's blur it a bit. So having that sharpness to it. Amazing. Okay, so I'm now going to go to my spot healing brush and see if that works again. Okay, not bad. It's getting better. Right, and then we are going to go to our layer tool, back to the blur, and just soften around the edges so it looks a lot more natural within our photograph. I'm going to go back to clone because I'm not quite happy with how it goes. I'll just blend this in a bit. Go to our eraser tool. There we go. And there we have it, a very quick overview. And bear me a second, I saw this sandwich pack and was completely and utterly disgusted with the fact that someone had left it there. Remember to always resize your brush accurately. And don't keep on making my mistake where you're not actually on the right layer. Would help. Okay, you see where I've moved the couple? There's still quite rough outlines and shadows of them. Just quickly brushing over with the spot healing brush. Okay, so this is the progress we've made so far. Obviously, I'm not going to sit here and make you watch the whole video of how I work through the image. That's not going to be unfair. It's just a very brief, quick introduction to all the tools within the content aware fill options. So if I go to my final edit, this is with all the people removed and all the editing done. Okay, if this helps at all, let me know, give me a thumbs up, perhaps subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you, goodbye.